It's been a whole 2 days since I posted the video on the sound panels, and I ordered some LED lights. So here's the little controller for them. If we go ahead and hit on, those will all turn on, and you can change color to whatever you want. You can do white, whatever you want, and it even has music and all sorts of other stuff on there, which I haven't figured out yet. I literally just opened the box like 5 minutes ago. And what I'm gonna do is, we talked about it in the last video, is I wanna add some LEDs to the back of the panels. The only tricky part is gonna be wiring. I have some extension cords for the LEDs here. I got 4 of those. I'm really not sure how it's gonna end up, but I'm gonna try to put most of the wires and stuff inside the panels. There's plenty of room in there, but having the wires in between each panel, I don't know, we'll figure it out. I think for now, I'm just gonna have the wires there, invisible. We could probably cut into the wall, but I don't know if I want 6 extra holes in there. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and start to put the LEDs on. I also got these little picture hanger things. I'm gonna put them on the back of the panels. If we could take this off without hurting anything. So right now we just had the screw just right under here, just hanging from that. So we'll go ahead and put the little picture hanger here. That'll push it off the wall a little bit, and then we're gonna put another screw in the bottom, so the bottom is also away from the wall. That way the LEDs can kind of shine through and add a little glowing effect around the outside, and hopefully add some extra light in the room, because it is a little bit dark with just the ceiling light fan light. So I think that's it. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started, and we can go ahead and put the LEDs behind the panels. Well, I got a little carried away, and it's basically done. The only thing I'm working on right now is hiding all the wires. So I have these 2 sections over here kind of done. I don't like it a lot, but it's much better than this and that. I can get one of those little strips that kind of cover the wires here. It's like a little plastic, like flat thing. It'll hide all the wires, and you can actually paint it too. So I may do that. I ideally would like to put the wires into the walls, but the studs going up and down would be hard to get through, so I'd probably have to run wires underneath the floorboards there, and then cut a hole into the wall, feed it up, and then cut a hole coming out of the wall again. 2 problems with that is I don't want to cut all those holes in the wall, and I don't have enough wire to do that. I'd have to buy more wire and then be stuck with at least 12 more holes in the wall. So yeah, this is basically it. I can run it by the controller. I think I showed this in the last clip. We can do all blue, there's actually two controllers. It looks like this one didn't go. Or I can control it from the phone, which I can't do while I'm recording, but we can control them independently or together. Can do Christmas colors or like the blue and green. So yeah, I've just been messing with that, and yeah, it looks pretty cool, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to work on getting the wires all nice and neat looking. I had this adhesive tape stuck up here, but it looks like it fell. Excuse me. So I'll have to screw that in and then just kind of continue hiding all the wires, making it look nice. Try and get these a little bit closer together so they're not as messy looking, because that's something that's going to drive me crazy long term. And yeah, I guess once the wires are in place, we could call it done. I am thinking about the logo and how to do that. A couple ideas I had was just kind of getting like 5 little printouts of like contact paper. I think you can iron it on to the fabric, and then we just have like 5 sections of the logo kind of going across that way. Or we could do the 4 middle panels here, so that way we have the black on either side. I don't think it would look good with having the logo like start there and kind of curve around. Yeah, or I guess another option is just do Jomica. It wouldn't look like the logo, but it would spell out the name. I think I'm leaning towards the logo, and yeah, gonna give it some more thought. I'm curious to see what your guys' thoughts would be. So if you have any thoughts on what I should do or ideas on how to get a logo onto fabric, let me know in the comments. I'd appreciate that. So I'm gonna finish the wires and then I'll bring you back and that'll be it. All right, here is the final product. We hid the wires away the best I could with what I got, and that is just wires. We have them going in between each. There's 2 wires in between all of the middle ones, and then the outer ones are just the 1 wire. And then we have the 2 wires going down. Everything else is hidden behind. And yeah, it's been about a week, I think, since I actually put the wires away. I totally forgot about that I was doing this video, and work's been super crazy. So yeah, these are the panels. Curious to know what you guys think of them as they are now with the LEDs and the sound. So yeah, let me know in the comments. And that's gonna do it for today's episode. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. If you like the video, be sure to hit the like button. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.